Hello, we're at checkpoint 3.3. They want us to calculate the limit as x approaches -2 of this vector value function. Let's write the vector value function first. R of t is equal to the square root of t squared minus 3t minus 1 in the I direction plus 4t plus 3 in the j direction, and then plus the sine, this is t plus 1 times pi divided by 2 in the k direction. And they want us to find the limit as t approaches -2 of your vector valued function. Okay, to find this limit, we just have to worry if putting in -2 is going to be an issue for any of these functions. It could make something negative under a square root or not be part of the domain, like it would make your denominator equal to 0. So if any of those things happen, then we might have an issue. But it doesn't look like it would happen, because if I put in like a -2 in for the first function, the second function is a polynomial, and the first function, it'll be 4 plus 3 minus 1, so it's going to be positive. It looks like everything's going to be okay. We could do this in pieces and then put it together at the end, or we could do it all together. Let's do this in pieces just so we can see the different pieces happen. So we'll take the limit as t approaches -2 of the first function, t squared minus 3t minus 1. And like I said, all we have to do is put in the values. So it's going to be 4 minus 3 times -2, that's plus 4 plus 6, and then we have 9 minus 1, or it'll be 10 minus 1 is 9, and that's just going to give us 3. We'll take the limit as t approaches -2 of the second function, 4t plus 3, and -2 in there is going to give us -8. -8 plus 3 is -5. And then finally, let's take the limit as t approaches -2 of this function, sine, and this is t plus 1 divided by, or times pi divided by 2. And this is going to give us a sine of -2 up on top would give us a -1, negative pi over 2. So let's take the sine of negative pi over 2, and the sine of negative pi over 2, it starts off at 0, it goes to 1 at positive pi over 2, goes to -1 at negative pi over 2. So that is our set of limits, and then we just string it all together in here. So take the limit as t approaches -2 of r of t, and we did all the work already here. We're going to get, I'm also switching notation. Instead of the I, J, K, let me go to the bracket notation because it's the same. 3 minus 5 and minus 1. And I think that's it. Okay, I hope that helps.